In this video, we're going to show you how to charge the battery. If you look on here, you'll notice that the battery has this safety device on here to keep it from actually making contact with the contacts inside the drone. So when I pull this off, you're going to notice that those are the contacts. And then on the battery, if you pull this off, all right, you can see the contacts on the battery down here. So when you put the battery into the drone, these contacts articulate with these contacts, and that's what delivers energy to the drone. Let me just show you. So to put it on, all you do is push it, and you're going to hear a click, and it's on. To get it off, you pull this, and then you got to kind of be careful because it doesn't come off easy. There we go. Now I got it loose, and then I just pull it off. All right, so let's go ahead and charge this. I'm going to show you how we charge it. This is the charging cord that you get with the battery. You'll see how it's wider on top, and these are closer to the bottom. You want to take this part, slide it in like that. Oh, there we go. It doesn't go in easy, dudes and dudettes. So this is going to tell us whether it's charged or not. So you can see on top here, you see how it's red. So you can see this here, see how it's red. We're just going to leave it there to charge. All right, so I left this overnight, so it should be charged. It's plugged in here, as you can see. All we've got to do is unplug it here, and it should be ready to go, right? Bam, done. And it doesn't have any lights on it telling me, and this wasn't showing any lights either. So anyway, this is ready to go. Now we can plug it into the drone. So now we're ready to go ahead and put our battery in the drone. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick the drone up, look for the contact end in the hole, and then you're going to find the contacts here, and you're going to have the contacts down because you want them to meet these contacts, right? Slide it in. If you look, there's a tip here. Make sure that the battery latch is on the top, which is that right there, and you hear a click sound. Let's push it in. Bam, we heard our click sound. We're ready to go. Now we can go fly our drone. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.